Well, if you remember from a couple weeks ago, we put a passenger side airbag in a microwave and it was spectacular and did really well. So, true to form, I'm a garbage picker, so I garbage picked myself a nice looking dryer. I actually never even bothered plugging it in to see if it worked. The 1978 Brentwood, which is also called a GE. So we have a 1998 Pontiac Grand Prix side impact airbag, since obviously those ones have the best destructive power. And we have a 1998 Saturn side impact airbag, a wire, and a car to detonate it off. We are going to see what happens, but because a dryer has a round barrel tub, I'm going to expect that all the force is going to be blown upwards. So to make it more spectacular, I'm going to lay the dryer on its back, then detonate it. So,
nothing wrong with that.
Wired up in parallel, we're ready to blow. Sweet. Power on. Alrighty. They're both in there. Flip that, close that door and flip that barrel. Flip that whole dryer over. No, other way. We want to watch the lid blow up. The lid. We're hoping the lid's going to fly in the air. Good enough for me.
Okay, here we go. Dave blowing up an airbag.
3, 2, 1, 0.
Holy shit! Oh my god! Wow! Holy crap! That was awesome! Look at that!
That was awesome! Wow!
That's awesome!
Look at that. That's hot. That's hot. Listen to the crooning and crackling. Look at the damage.
Wow! That's crazy!
Wow. Wow. That ought to make the news. In St. Louis, Missouri.
That's crazy!
Out of the dryer. That's some serious tubbage. Where's my underwear?
Oh, there's some of it!
Yeah. Whitey's? Those your grandma's for the easy access. Wow, boom. That was awesome. Saturn and Pontiac. Oh, sure. Yeah. Let's see. Let's small plug on that. That's an aluminum casket. Let's spit on it.
Yeah. Yeah.
You can see it smoke.
It's still smoking.
It is smoking, I can see that. Well,
Smoking.
Smoking.